Hi guys, welcome to the latest episode of our Sunday Stock Market Watchlist series. I host these Sunday Stock Talk every single weekend, so do tune in and subscribe to the channel. As you guys know, I'll be diving into the economic calendar, highlighting the key earnings reports for the week, and sharing my top 5 picks to keep an eye on. Also, before we jump into the content, don't forget to join our community through the link provided in the comment section below. So let's get started. Okay, so let's take a look at the earnings report for this week. There are no major earnings report that I'm looking for this week. We have Oracle on Monday and Adobe on Thursday. Now let's see the major economics calendar for this week. We have CPI, Consumer Price Index, on Tuesday. On Thursday, we have US retail sales, core PPI, and initial jobless claims. Okay, so first on our radar is AMD. We are closely watching for a break below 200. If it happens, we'll be considering 200 puts with targets set at 195, 190, and then 185. On the upside, our attention is on the 228 level. If it comes back with momentum, there is potential for an upward move. In that case, we'll be watching 240 calls with targets at 230, 235, and then 240. Moving on to the second pick, Nvidia. We are keeping a close eye on the break below 860. If that occurs, we'll be considering 860 puts with targets set at 855 and then 850. On the upside, we are looking for a break above 975. If it happens, we'll be watching 1000 calls with targets at 980, 985, and then 990. Next up is SMCI. We are watching for a break below 1080. If that happens, we'll be looking at 1050 puts with targets set at 1070, 1060, and then 1050. For potential upside momentum, a break above 1230 is in focus. If it occurs, we'll be watching 1230 calls with targets at 1240 and then 1250. The fourth stock on our radar is Tesla. We are watching for break below 170. If that happens, we'll be considering 170 puts with targets set at 165 and then 160. We are not currently watching anything to the upside for Tesla. Finally, let's talk about Meta. Meta is on a bullish momentum. As you guys can see there, we are watching for a break above 524. If it happens, we'll be looking at 530 calls with targets set at 531st, then 535, and finally 540. We are not currently watching anything to the downside for Meta. And that wraps up our watch list for the week. Remember, always do your research, stay informed, and trade responsibly. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to check out our community link for more updates. Happy trading, everyone.